The one common problem my customer has is always talking about their health and their wellness, and they don't feel good. And I'm solving the bigger problem around that. And that takes time. So sometimes I may not be able to solve it right away for today. I can't fix someone already elderly and really at that stage. Where our intervention is to really help change the next generation, and but still, of course, service those who we can now nutritionally. So teaching others to cook is the ultimate goal here for me, because at the end it's about empowering people to take charge of their nutrition and their wellness, because it's their responsibility. You would be amazed as to how your life would change just having a smoothie instead in the morning instead of a doubles. Just saying, might change your life. I'm not saying don't eat doubles because I love but it's about that striking that balance, as I said, and I think that's important to remember.